Hi, I am Sarwar from BTAPS. Today I am going to show you how to add Pinterest button on your website. To add Pinterest button on your website, I am using BitAssist plugin. So let's start the video. Go to WordPress dashboard, click on BitAssist, add widget, give here widget name. Click on create button, click on three dots and edit it. Add channel, choose the channel Pinterest, give here Pinterest username. You can also change the title name and you can change the Pinterest image. Also you can customly change the image, and here is the on click open channel option. After click on Pinterest, the windows will go on to new tab, current tab and new window. So I keep in new tab. In our pro version you can get hide after office hours channel, these schedules, and the channel show on desktop and mobile version. I keep it both. So click on save button. So go to my page and refresh the page. Here you can see the BitAssist logo bottom corner of the screen. So click on it and click on Pinterest. So this is my Pinterest account. So go to messages and send. I want to send this person, so send a message. So you can see the message sent successfully to this person. You can send your message in your any contact list. So in this way you can add your Pinterest button on your website by using BitAssist plugin. So thanks for watching this video.